I got a new instrument today in the mail for sound baths. Do you want to unbox it with me? I think you're going to be surprised what it is. Every time you get a box from Sunreed Instruments, you know it is going to be a good day. It's a box within a box because this is very delicate. This will give you a hint of what it might be. That is some kind of a very special mallet. Any guesses yet as to what it is? How about now? The reveal. It's a crystal pyramid that is actually an instrument. I've never used one of these before, so it'll be an interesting process to learn all the things that it does. But initially, I feel like it's going to be great for space clearing or clearing energy work. Also helping to focus, much like a bell or a chime might. So I'll be using this for future sound baths, both on lives and on my online sound baths and Holistic Hacks subscription. And that is basically sound baths on demand whenever you want them from wherever you are. And there's a link in my bio for that.